Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys a new way to get unlimited sapphires in Animal Jam. So as you can see guys, we're in the Animal Jam right now. We're not looking too hot. 400 sapphires, we need to increase this. So I'm gonna turn up the sapphires all the way using this Animal Jam mod menu. And now they're gonna start increasing, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to download this Animal Jam hack for your device so you can get unlimited sapphires as well. So as you can see, 400, pretty pathetic, but you know, it's probably going to go up. So let's see if this works. And as you can see guys, my sapphires are going all the way to the top. So I'm going to show you how to download this Animal Jam hack so you can get unlimited sapphires for your account. So let's get straight into the guide. So it's pretty easy guys. So all you need to do is navigate into your browser and just type in tweak mod. So once you're there, just go to the search bar and type in Animal Jam, press install. Now before this downloads, there is going to be one more step. This is verification. So this is where we have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. You know, it's completely free from official app store, and then you're going to get the Animal Jam hack, and then you're going to get unlimited sapphires. So I'm going to wait for this to download here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load. So yeah, if you're broke in Animal Jam, you've got to try this out because you're going to get unlimited sapphires with this hack. So it's super cool. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. All right, so as you can see, it says missing files. So this is where we got to download the 2 apps. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So I just go to the App Store, play this till I'm level 9, then go back to the list and do a couple more. So as long as you do like 2 of them guys, you should be good to go. You can explicitly read what it asks, but I'm going to see you guys later. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about how to hack Animal Jam. But yeah, have fun my gang, and peace out my squad.